Deep in the heart of the rainforest, where the sun shines bright and the birds sing sweet melodies, lived a curious little boy named Timmy. Timmy loved exploring the rainforest, discovering new plants, animals, and secrets hidden among the trees. One day, while playing near a sparkling waterfall, Timmy heard a strange noise. It sounded like a cross between a man and a bat. Curiosity piqued, Timmy followed the sound deeper into the forest. Suddenly, he saw a creature unlike anything he had ever seen before. He gasped, for it was a man-bat. The man-bat was a friendly creature, with the body of a man and the wings of a bat. He had kind eyes that sparkled like stars, and a gentle smile on his face. "Hello, little human," said the man-bat, his voice soft and friendly. "I've been waiting for someone to find me. I'm Man-Bat, the guardian of the rainforest. I protect the animals and plants from danger." Timmy was amazed. He had never met a creature like Man-Bat before. He asked, "Can I help you, Man-Bat? I want to help protect the rainforest too." Man-Bat smiled, "That's great, Timmy. I could use a helping hand. Come, let's go on an adventure to help the creatures of the rainforest." And so, Timmy and Man-Bat embarked on a wonderful adventure, helping the animals and learning from each other. They saved a baby bird from a high tree, helped a turtle lay her eggs, and even found a hidden spring that watered the parched earth. Each day, Timmy learned more about the rainforest and the creatures who lived there. He learned about the importance of caring for others, and the joy of helping those in need. As the sun set, Timmy would return home, tired but happy. He dreamt of his adventures with Man-Bat, and couldn't wait for the next day to begin. From that day on, Timmy was no longer just a little boy. He was a protector of the rainforest, a friend to the animals, and a helper to those in need. And every night, under the starlit sky, he knew Man-Bat was watching over him, just as he had watched over the rainforest. The end.